What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Tyler. Now, I know what y'all probably thinking. It's been a minute since I came out with a video, and honestly, you're right, and I don't really have a good excuse for it, so I hope this video makes up for it. I don't know, I'm hungry, I hope you're hungry, and you clicked on this video, so you gotta be hungry for something. But I don't know. We got another protein packed recipe, and y'all already know it's gonna beat every single recipe out there. So, if you're ready, I'm the guy to do it for you. Shout out to my girls in Jen's Get Fit group. If y'all watching, let's get started.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Hey, yo, kid. Let's go. Yeah, I took the cash route. I put in more time, more grind, no line. I didn't take the fast route. Let's go. Suck it up, no crime, no crime, no crime. I didn't ask for handouts. Yeah. Go to work, no grind, no shine, no shine. And that's how you stand out. Yeah, yeah, that's how I stand out. Yeah, I took the cash route. I put in more time, more grind, no line. I didn't take the fast route. Suck it up, no crime, no crime, no crime. I didn't ask for handouts. Go to work, no grind, no shine, no shine. And that's how you stand out. Yeah, that's how I stand out. Let's go. Yeah, I took the cash route. I did it and did it again. What you did? I started the 1 and I went up to 10. Came back, now I'm winning again. People up behind 10. Which one they gon' hop out? They don't know what whip did he in. Put in hours of practice and that's how it happened. I don't even pick up a pen. I'm coming straight up out the top with it. Let's go. I ain't a power 40, ain't a center, but he was on the block with me. Shooting in the gym, really got it in. He put up the shots with me. Now we breaking bread, everybody playing. He hold up a knot with me. No cap, we took the cash route. Let's go. Yeah, I'm talking moolah, fed. We grew up off of noodles, spaghetti. Used to be peanut butter and jelly. Now the chef, he gon' come when it's ready. What you know about the lights off candles? Lights. Up about with the mic off dance. Like Mike. I'm a star on the moonwalk. Now I got the whole room talking. Yeah, I'm talking trophies. I got everybody talking down, acting like they know me. I'm a champion, like LeBron. Ballin' with my homies. I'm better than the old me. R.I.P. to Kobe. Yeah. Yeah, I took the cash route. More time, more grind, no line. I didn't take the fast route. Suck it up, no crime, no crime, no crime. I didn't ask for handouts. Go to work, no grind, no shine, no shine. And that's how you stand out. Yeah, that's how I stand out. Yeah, I took the cash route. Let's go. More time, more grind, no line. I didn't take the fast route. Suck it up, no crime, no crime, no crime. I didn't ask for handouts. Go to work, no grind, no shine, no shine. And that's how you stand out. Yeah, that's how I stand out. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah.
Queen bee, want no smoke with me. Okay. Been turn this go up 800 degrees. Whole team eat chefs cause she's a treat. Ooh, she's so bougie, bon appetit.
I'm a savage, attitude nasty. Talk big, but my bank account match it. Hood, but I'm classy. Rich, but I'm ratchet. Haters kept my name in their mouth, now they gagging. Bougie. He say the way that thing move, it's a movie. I told that boy we gotta keep it lowly, me the room key. I done bled the block and now it's hot, bitch, I'm Tunchi. I'm mood and I'm moody. I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Sassy, moody, nasty. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? What's happening?
Hips tick tock when I dance. On that demon time, she might start her OnlyFans. Big B and that B stand for bands. If you wanna see some real, baby, here's your chance. I say left cheek, right cheek, drop it low and swing. Texas up in this thing, put you up on this game. I be parking my frame, gang, 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 gang. If you don't jump to put jeans on, baby, you don't feel my pain. Please don't give me hype, write my name in ice. Can't argue with these lazy I just raised my price. I'm a boss, I'm a leader. I pull up in my two-seater and my mama was a savage. Got this from Tina, I'm a savage. Yeah.
Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah. Hacking, stupid, what's happening? What's happening? Like Beyonce, like me. He wanna like the stallion with the knees. He be like, damn, how that thing moving in them jeans. Ay, even D4L couldn't do it like me, like me.
Ooh, I done got this body ready just for you. Girl, I hope you don't catch me messing around with you. Talking to myself in the mirror like, do my boo.
Oh, I need a mop to clean the floor, it's too much drip. Oh, I keep a knot, I keep a watch, I keep a whip. Oh, let's play a game, Simon says I'm still in. Ay, I'm still in. Yeah, I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah, acting stupid, what's happening? What's happening? I'm a savage. Yeah, classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah, sassy, moody, nasty. Yeah, hacking, stupid, what's happening? What's happening?
I heard they asking for the queen to buy some cameras in here. I'm a bad, she's a savage, no comparison here. I'ma flip my hair and look back while I twerk in the mirror. All this money in a room, think some scammers in here. I'm coming straight up out that third. I whip the whip like I stirred it. Wood grain, we swerving, keeping his mind all on these curves. Coop fly like a bird, cold on him like birds. Always keep my word, no I don't do crosswords. Sell you in a writing like them hot girls, them hits. I hop that the way I hopped up and slid. I pop my now watch me pop.
So that's pretty much it for this video today, guys. If you enjoyed it, I would appreciate it if you drop me a like down below, share it, tell your friends about it, and even subscribe to the channel and click that little bell notification too so you don't miss a single video that I drop. Let me know down in the comments if you try it, or you can tag me on Instagram. What do you think of this recipe? Because I'm really feeling it. I'm definitely going to be making it more often. So let me know. I appreciate you if you made it this far, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
We can be here.